The addition operator can do math and numbers, such as integers and floats, or it can concatenate strings. Let's take a look. Here I just have a simple math equation, and if we echo to the screen by running it, we see we can get an answer there. You can change the numbers and use this as your own calculator. I can also use this to add float numbers, and that also shows the results below. So this is a typical mathematical operation, and use this just like you would in your math. We can also add strings. Here I have two strings, my name plus Alisa. If I echo that below, it displays as a single string. We can also put this within a print function. I can do the math operation in the print function and the result can display. I can put a number of strings and concatenate them using the plus operator, and they display as a single string. The additional operator allows us to do math additions with numbers or to concatenate strings. Now, here is a task for you. Add 3 integer numbers. Add a float number and an integer number. Add the string, for example, this notebook belongs to, and a string with your first name. Then create variable sm_number and big_number and assign numbers and then add the numbers. And also you can assign a string value to the variable first_name and add to the string, for example, remember to save the notebook frequently. I hope this will be easy tasks for you.